Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with another unboxing video. This time I'll be opening up the Apple 4K TV. Yeah! Alright, so there is the 4K Apple TV. I also got my trusty knife to open up any packages. And this is any package, so I'm gonna slice it up and then get into it. So, let's start cutting. Alright. The seal has been broken. Now the value has dropped. So this is the front of the box. That's the Apple 4K TV. There's the sides. Same thing. In the back we have the specs. Looks like it just slides off the top. Before I get into opening the box, I just want to give you a little backstory about how I ended up purchasing this. So I guess DirecTV is having this promotion. If you buy 3 months of their streaming TV service, they'll send you one of these for free. And so the streaming at the lowest tier is like $35. So I ended up doing 3 months, so it comes up like $110, I think what it was. And these things are $175. So it just seemed like a no-brainer to me because I wanted to pick one of these up for my 4K TV, and it seemed like the perfect deal. So I mean, I paid 3 months for streaming TV. Olympics are on, the winter games, so it's pretty dope. So I get to watch that on there, and I get to stream it from this little device. So let's pop the top. Slowly coming down and dropping. There it is. So inside the box we got the 4K TV. It's pretty small. Has a plastic covering on it. Pretty little nifty little device. On the bottom you have air vents for cooling. And let's just take off that plastic wrap. Best feeling in the world. And it looks like around it there's also another little plastic thing to help protect it, which is kind of cool. So I guess that gives you the ports from getting like dirt and dust in there. So it's like a little plastic strip right here. There we go. We have the power, we have the HDMI, and we have a direct input for an Ethernet cable right there. That's pretty cool. These fingerprints, really shiny, really nice, looks pretty cool. Here we have a remote. I have the original 4K, no, the original Apple TV, which isn't in 4K. We have that for our first TV that we purchased. Since I got the Xbox One X, we had to get a 4K TV, and everything's been upgraded to 4K. So Netflix is in 4K, Hulu, and all that stuff, which is cool. So this is an updated remote from the last gen Apple TV. The home button has a little ring around it, which is pretty cool. So then you know that's like, you know, how to navigate through the menus. The TV on, TV off button, volume, microphone, and play. Then right here is a trackpad. You move this around and you can like do stuff on the Apple TV, which is pretty cool. You can press it in and it clicks. You can hear it, see? And nifty little redesign, because I liked how it's like more pronounced than it was before, because like when you're in the dark and you have to like go back on your menus, you have to kind of like memorize how the feel of it is. And this trackpad's a little bit more softer than last gen. The last gen had a little bit more tactile touch to it, so then when you rubbed it you could like feel if it was a trackpad. This one's a lot smoother, but this is also like more shinier and more smooth, and way smoother than the other one. So that's the back side of the remote. It's pretty cool. Comes with a little Apple logo. At the bottom has a lightning cable adapter to turn on the power. These remotes last for a long time. We probably had the Apple TV probably for a year. Maybe charged it once or twice. I can't remember, but they last a long time. And then let's keep digging inside this box and see what we have here. So we got the power cord. Pull that off. It's pretty standard. Nice little cord plugs into the back of the device like so. And you plug that into the power outlet and it gives it juice. which is pretty cool. Keep digging in further. We have the instruction manual. Ooh, stickers. That's the cool thing about Apple, they give you stickers. We have like a million of these things, but we never put it on anything, so that's cool. Maybe we can see it. There we go, we can see it. So this is the information about wattage and all that good stuff. Here's the menu. Usually with Apple stuff, it's easy to set up. It's 2 pages. Plug it in, turn it on, and then it automatically does it for you. And if you have like an iPhone, it's even way more simpler. And then here we have the charging cable. Oh, so it doesn't come with an HDMI cable, I guess. That kind of sucks, so you have to provide your own. And since this is 4K, then you're going to have to get a high-speed one, so that connects directly to the TV and outputs at a higher rate. And then we have the charging cable, which goes into the remote like so, and you charge it up. On last gens, they used to have like a USB port in it. This seems to be a little bit smaller than the last one. Yeah, it had a USB port, had an HDMI, and then also had the Ethernet cable. That's kind of cool. Plug it into your power brick, and then you can get your remote charged up when it runs out of batteries. Too bad they didn't provide an HDMI cable, which kind of sucks, since you're paying like a premium, which is $175 for the newest version. Should come with an HDMI remote. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more other unboxings, just look at my other videos on the channel, and you can see what I've opened up so far. Thank you very much. Peace.